Crafting wooden showcase decorative items for personal use or as gifts holds a profound significance that extends beyond mere aesthetics. It encompasses emotional resonance, creativity, sustainability, and personal connection. The act of creating these items allows individuals to express their artistic vision and craftsmanship, transforming raw materials into beautiful pieces that can enhance home decor or serve as meaningful gifts. The tactile nature of wood, with its unique grains and textures, provides a sensory experience that often evokes feelings of warmth and comfort, making these items particularly appealing in a world dominated by mass-produced goods. When individuals engage in the crafting process, they not only hone their skills, but also invest their time, effort, and emotion into each piece, resulting in creations that carry personal significance and authenticity. This authenticity is crucial, especially in the context of gift-giving. Handmade wooden items often convey a sense of thoughtfulness and care that store-bought items simply cannot replicate. Recipients of handcrafted gifts are likely to appreciate not only the beauty of the item, but also the story behind it, enhancing the emotional value of the gift. Furthermore, the process of crafting wooden showcase decorative items fosters creativity and innovation. Artisans have the freedom to experiment with different designs, finishes, and functionalities, allowing their imaginations to flourish. Whether creating rustic shelves, intricately carved wall art, or elegant display cases, the versatility of wood as a medium encourages a diverse range of artistic expressions. This exploration not only leads to the development of unique pieces, but also enables artisans to find their distinct style, setting them apart in a marketplace saturated with uniform products. As individuals push the boundaries of traditional woodworking, they may discover new techniques or hybrid approaches that incorporate other materials, such as metal or glass, further enriching their work and expanding their creative horizons. This spirit of innovation fosters a dynamic crafting community where ideas are shared and collaboration flourishes, inspiring others to pursue their artistic endeavors and contribute to the evolving landscape of handmade decor. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden showcase decorative items ideas for personal use or as gifts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to fostering creativity, crafting wooden showcase decorative items promotes a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. The journey from concept to finished product is often filled with challenges and learning opportunities, allowing artisans to develop their skills and confidence along the way. Successfully completing a project can instill a deep sense of pride, reinforcing the value of patience and perseverance. This process of creation is not just about the end result. It is also about the experiences gained during crafting, the problem-solving involved, and the joy of seeing an idea come to life. For many, woodworking becomes a form of therapy, offering a productive outlet for stress relief and self-expression. Engaging in a hands-on activity like crafting can provide a welcome respite from the fast-paced, technology-driven world, allowing individuals to reconnect with their creativity and find peace in the rhythmic motions of working with wood. Moreover, the impact of crafting wooden showcase items extends to sustainability and environmental consciousness. In an age where consumers are becoming increasingly aware of their ecological footprint, creating decorative items from responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood aligns with the values of many individuals. By choosing to work with sustainable materials, Artisans contribute to a culture that prioritizes environmental responsibility and ethical craftsmanship. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the appeal of their creations, but also resonates with consumers who are seeking to make mindful purchasing decisions. When gifting handmade wooden items, individuals can take pride in knowing they are supporting eco-friendly practices and promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. This connection to the environment adds an additional layer of meaning to the act of crafting, as artisans become stewards of the materials they use, ensuring that their work contributes positively to the planet. The significance of wooden showcase decorative items is further amplified by their role in enhancing personal spaces and creating lasting memories. These items often serve as focal points within homes, drawing attention and sparking conversation. A beautifully crafted wooden shelf can display cherished photographs or mementos, transforming an ordinary wall into a gallery of personal history. Similarly, intricately designed coasters or bowls can add character to dining experiences, reminding individuals of the craftsmanship that went into their creation. When gifted, these decorative items carry the essence of the giver, encapsulating the thoughtfulness and care behind the gesture. Recipients often develop emotional connections to these handmade pieces, cherishing them as symbols of relationships and shared experiences. The significance of such gifts extends far beyond their physical presence. They become tokens of love, friendship, and appreciation, often cherished for years to come. In a world where the value of handmade items is increasingly recognized, the impact of crafting wooden showcase decorative items for personal use or as gifts can be seen in the growing appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship. Consumers are actively seeking out unique, high-quality pieces that reflect their personal style and values. This trend has created a thriving market for handmade wooden items, providing artisans with opportunities to showcase their work and connect with like-minded individuals. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms have become vital avenues for artisans to share their creations, fostering a sense of community and collaboration within the crafting world. By participating in these spaces, artisans not only promote their work, but also contribute to a larger movement that celebrates creativity, individuality, and the beauty of handmade craftsmanship. Furthermore, the act of gifting handmade wooden items can serve as a catalyst for meaningful connections and conversations. When individuals choose to gift a handcrafted piece, they often take the time to explain the inspiration behind it, share the story of its creation, or highlight the specific qualities that make it special. This storytelling aspect adds depth to the gift-giving experience, inviting recipients to engage with the item on a more personal level. Such interactions can strengthen relationships, as the shared appreciation for craftsmanship fosters deeper connections between the giver and the recipient. In this way, wooden showcase decorative items become vessels for communication, embodying the sentiments and values of those who create and receive them. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden showcase decorative items for personal use or as gifts. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.